guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the BODYMARK pens by BIC for your back to school body marking needs. If you are interested to learn more about these or to know how they perform, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so back to school is in full swing even though we are at the tail end of August. Some people went back to school at the beginning of August. I don't even understand. Sorry to all the students that missed out on that last month of summer. However, you guys get out earlier in May, so I don't know how it all works. I'm an adult. My child is not of school age yet. I don't have to worry about that currently. However, BIC has recently released these BODYMARK pens, and I thought they were kind of cool, so I picked two of them up. These single packs retail for $5.99. I got mine on sale for $3.49 at Meijer. They also come in, let me see if I can put some pictures up here. They come in 3 packs for $13.99 and an 8-pack for $27.99. Sorry, battling a little bit of cold. Now, some of you of the younger generations might not have been scolded by your parents way back when for writing on yourself in gel pen and or milky pens, probably showing my age a little bit. Raise your hand if you were the milky pen, gel pen generation. My mom always used to be like, don't write on your skin with those, they're gonna cause you blah 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 blah. I mean, I still did. But like I washed it off before I went home. Sorry, Mom. But now BIC has provided your generation or the younger generation with BODYMARK pens. Where were these when I was in school? That's all I have to say. I have the colors brown and red. They come in a multitude of colors from like blue, purple, green. They have like a henna pack, so you can have like a pseudo henna marking. Super cool. However, Meijer only had the red and brown. I felt like that was fine. These, they're temporary tattoo markers. They're cosmetic quality markers, bright, long-lasting colors, ages 13 plus, external use. Warning, do not use near eyes or lips. I do not think that these are meant for the face. However, if you are going to use them on your face, not recommended. Use them on your cheeks, not as like last minute eyeliner or like lip liner. That is not what they are intended for. Apply on clean, dry skin. Remove with soap and water. May require several washings. So if you are one who is trying to be a badass at school, but then go home and be that nice conservative kid your mom thinks you are, it might require several washings. Just putting that out there. In the event of redness or irritation, discontinue use. So, this is what the pens look like. They look like your standard markers. Bloop, bloop. They are of a like felt tip design, if you will. Again, if you're into henna tattoos are like really big right now, so if you're into kind of like that henna style look, you could do these with that. So I'm just going to see how like actually pigmented they are. Oh, that's pretty dark. I thought it was going to be like a lot. Huh. That's a lot more pigmented than I thought. I thought it was going to be like a little bit more like translucent of a color, you know, but that's actually pretty dark. I mean, it draws like an actual marker itself. So like you can do, here, let's turn this into something. I am not an artist. Oh, there you go. And then what do you want to make this red one? I don't know. We'll draw this into like a girl, a person. Boop. So you can draw pretty nice on them. However, since they are like a felt tip, you can't get like super duper detailed on them. However, that pigment if we're gonna look up close and personal. So that's what like the pigment is. It looks just like a regular old marker. Like if you were actually just to take a regular BIC marker and draw on yourself. However, like I said before, the packaging says that these are cosmetic grade, not meant for your eyes and or lips, and may take several washings to get off with soap and water. So yeah, they are skin safe for also any parents out there that have very artistic kids that do draw on themselves a lot. Like my daughter at 2.5, she draws on herself all the time. If you are looking for a skin safe marker alternative to send your kids to school with, these might be it. However, I do feel like they're a little expensive, like $5.99 for one. I can buy an eyeliner for cheaper than that with a coupon on sale. So, I don't know. The 8-pack for what, $28? I don't know. That's not too bad because you get like all of the colors. Let's put this to the test to see how easy it washes off. Let me get some soap and water and I will be right back. Have some water, have some basic Bath & Body Works soap because I feel like this is like generally what you'd be washing like your hands with. I mean, if you're drawing like on your actual body, you'd have like a body wash and scrubber, but we're just going to simply wash our hands. However, just putting water on it, that's pretty good. I mean, it doesn't claim that it's like waterproof, but just putting water and like rubbing it with no soap, that has pretty good staying power. So that's something to think about. Alright, putting some soap on, rub, 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 rub. It doesn't look like it's coming off all that well. Okay, so that's what came off with a basic hand washing. Mostly all of it came off. There's just like a few little bits and pieces that didn't come off. Let's see if I use a makeup wipe, if I can get the rest of that off. Soap and water was working better than makeup wipe. Interesting. Interesting. Alright, so I was able to get pretty much the remainder of it off with a makeup wipe. Again, if I probably re-washed my hands, it would have come off just as easily. I feel like as a mom now, and to parents out there and to kids watching or teenagers, school-aged viewers, the wash test is very important because if you are drawing on yourself and you have family pictures the next day or family pictures that day or school pictures or this, that, and the other that your parent might not want that, you know, beautiful, you know, half sleeve marker tattoo that you've done at school and spend so much time on, you need to wash it off quick and you don't want it to stain. These markers, they came off fairly easily, and they didn't stain like a lot of gel pens out there. Gel pens stain pretty badly, I will say. Milky pens I feel like are a little bit better in terms of like taking off quality and in my humble experience. However, you can't find Milky pens out there a lot. I know I've seen them at like Hallmark stores and things like that, but really gel pens have taken like over the market. I don't find a lot of Milky pens out there. If you have no clue what I'm talking about, then that just means that I'm way too old and I come from a different generation of school supplies. That's it. In the end, I think these are really, really great. I mean, they're a little like expensive, but if you could find them on sale or like with a coupon, I think that they would be like a fun gift for a very creative child or a very creative student, especially someone who always comes home with artwork on themselves, generally in pen or marker that is not always skin safe. I know a lot of times like with Sharpies and things like that, those are not the best for your skin. So these are cosmetic grade, no eyes, no lips, but skin safe. They came off easily and they went on very nicely as well. If you are interested in these BIC BODYMARK pens, I will link them in the description box below so you can check them out on your own time if you are interested. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. Do you come from the generation of Milky and gel pens, and did you wish that you had these? Do you think these would be good for your students? Do you think these would be good for you if you are a student? Or otherwise. I mean, I guess you don't have to be a student to have these. They're just generally advertised for like back to school season. That's why I say. I mean, you could be an adult who like does tattoo work and or does body art, you know, or like body painting. I feel like if you do like a lot of body painting, these pens might be really good to like outline a design for because they are cosmetic grade. I'm just catering this video more towards back to school because that's where you're going to find this, is in the back to school section or office supplies. You're not going to find this in like the makeup section. You're going to find this in office supplies. So if you do body painting, like these might be a really good option to kind of get a more crisp outline to your design. If you're a tattoo artist, maybe this helps you to do tattoos on kids. I know sometimes like on Facebook I see those videos of like kids getting tattoos and they do like temporary tattoos. Maybe these would be something to look into. I don't know. It was fun. I liked it. I thought they were cool. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another video. Thanks so much for watching, guys.